What am I doing? Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Is there any reason why you're recording the building?
The building? Which building?
This one?
That one?
Sir.
I haven't been recording that building. What's up? Why? What's going on?
Recording in this area, sir.
We got a call. We have to take care of any videos and photographs that are on a certain person's phone. And that's
really?
What we're, so we just need to know, why are you filming?
You just... Hold on. No. I'll answer your question in a second. So you came up to me first and you said, hi. We can't have you recording our building and we need to delete video off of people's phones. That's what we're here to do. And now you're going to come up to me and now we just need to know why you're recording?
That's right.
Really?
That's right.
So what's the ramifications if I don't tell you why I'm recording? Nothing? Would there be nothing? Oh, okay. All right, so you guys are dismissed. Take it easy. If you guys came up to me more cordial in the beginning, I would have answered your questions, but you guys are dismissed.
Okay.
Wait, you're telling me BS. You're telling me BS, so. What's up?
What are you recording?
What am I recording? What do you mean?
We have medical people coming in and out. They're kind of violating medical sort of HIPAA violation.
On June 11, 2025, in Lithicum Heights, Maryland, a citizen YouTuber from the channel First Amendment Protection Agency was filming on the sidewalk when security and police stopped him, claiming medical privacy laws prohibited recording. He refused, pointing out he was on public property, but officers still tried to confront him. If you support this auditor, drop a number 5 in the comments.
No, I don't. What do you mean HIPAA violations? I'm not certified by HIPAA, bro.
No, so you don't come in for like medical reasoning and stuff like that. We just don't want to be violating their HIPAA rights, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, so what HIPAA right would that be?
Being recorded when they're getting their medical stuff.
Do you know how HIPAA laws work?
Huh?
Do you know how HIPAA laws work?
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about the HIPAA laws that you just brought up.
Right.
Do you know how those work? Hold on. Don't interrupt. I'm trying to have a conversation with the man. So what HIPAA laws are you talking about? Because I'm not certified by HIPAA. I don't go by HIPAA laws. I'm here on a sidewalk. So I'm just confused as to what you're talking about,
We
really.
just want to make sure that their rights and stuff like that aren't being violated by people just filming them for no reason when they're trying to come in.
Oh, well, how do you know I have no reason?
We asked you.
You asked me what?
You just asked you and you never gave.
Well, no, I was trying to have a conversation with you when he rudely interrupted, and I was trying to finish my conversation. So if you had a question, I'd be more than happy to answer. Go ahead.
Just want to know what's your purpose.
Well, what my purpose is I go around and I stress test our First Amendment right to the freedom of press in public, and I see how business owners, people, and the police, if they do come, react and how they respect our rights, and see if they feel if feelings trump rights.
Okay.
So we all good? We all on the same page, or?
Oh yeah, we just wanted to see what was going on.
Oh, there you go.
When people are outside, just
Yeah, no.
filming people.
Well, I'm glad I can answer your question for you.
Well, gotcha. Thank you.
All right, take it easy. Have a good one. How you doing? How are you? Oh, I'm doing just fantastic. I'm loving it. I'm having a great time out here. Nice, beautiful weather. Not too hot, not too cold. I'm sure you're doing much better now. Oh, not yet. Couple minutes. Give it a few. Yes, ma'am. Have a good one. What? Who am I filming for? For me. Oh. Oh boy. What's up?
What are you just recording?
What am I doing? Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Is there any reason why you're recording the building?
The building? Which building?
This one?
That one?
Yes, sir.
I haven't been recording that building. What's up? Why? What's going on?
Recording in this area, sir.
What do you mean? Hold on. You guys have you guys have body cams here?
No, we're not
No,
allowed to.
you don't?
We're not allowed to.
Oh, you're not allowed to.
Yes.
Interesting.
It's federal property. We're not allowed to film on it.
Federal property? The sidewalk in front of a dispensary? Federal property?
Dispensary, but our buildings are federal
I have nothing to do with your building. You came and made yourself part of the building, so or like part of video. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Did you know? Now, did know I have a photographic memory? Did you know that?
Okay.
So, what if I was standing here without a camera and I just remembered everything, and then I went and
It's not
drew
allowed to
pictures
have
of it?
Physical copies. of
Oh,
pictures.
it absolutely, I
Anything on your
absolutely
phone
can.
is not allowed to be filmed
I
and
can.
taped to that area. Anything
Yeah, I can.
else over here, we don't care about. This is public property, like you said. This is totally fine. But this area.
So when people drive by and they have dash cams, do they have to like go outside their car and cover as they're driving by? Is that what they have to do, or?
No, if you're
filming that
and
specific.
going out
Like I said,
with your-
I'm not specifically filming that. So there you go. You're all set.
I don't know what else to tell you. We got a call. We have to take care of any videos and photographs that are on a certain person's phone. And that's
Really?
what we're investigating right now. That's what we have to do. Just get up and tight.
Yeah, you guys want to, what, you have like a sergeant or a supervisor out
The
here?
sergeant's right behind us.
Oh,
Yeah, we're
that's,
gonna
it's that guy. Oh yeah, please,
No,
yeah.
it's not him. It's a male.
Oh, my bad, sorry. So yeah, just bring her out here, that'd be fantastic. I'd love to have a chat. Thought you had me there, didn't you? Wow, 1, 2, 3. Well, seeing as how they don't have body cams going on, I want to go over there and see what they're talking about. I won't be able to go and get a conversation afterwards, so. Hey, this ought to be really good for a weed business, don't you think? 3 cops with the lights on, sitting right outside. Yeah, that's brilliant.
So we just need to know, why are you filming? What's the...
You just hold on. No. I'll answer your question in a second. So you came up to me first and you said hi. We can't have you recording our building, and we need to delete video off of people's phones. That's what we're here to do. And now you're going to come up to me, and now we just need to know why you're recording.
That's great.
Really? So what's the ramifications if I don't tell you why I'm recording? Nothing? Would there be nothing? Oh, okay. All right, so you guys are dismissed. Take it easy. If you guys came up to me more cordial in the beginning, I would have answered your questions, but
I don't see how
you guys
we
are
were
dismissed.
cordial, but I'm not
Wait,
trying
you're
to
telling me
get-
BS. You're telling me BS. So you guys are dismissed. See you later. Have a good one. Great for a weed business though. 3 cops with the lights on sitting right outside in front. That's great. You must really care about them.
Hey, sir, how's it?
Hi, how are you?
Good. Are you filming for like a certain reason?
Like I said, I'm not gonna give any answers. I have no more answers for any more questions.
That's fine. I just wanted to make sure everything was okay. If you were doing a project or something, we just like to check it out and make sure everybody's okay. And
I mean, that if you had said that,
Yeah.
I would have answered your questions. But you came over here and you tried to strong arm me and BS me to make me crumble under your will, and that's not what I'm gonna do.
that's okay. No,
So you guys got anything else for me?
No.
What was your name and badge number?
Since
Simmons.
Yep.
Badge number?
doesn't
Shield number?
really matter.
No, it does. It absolutely does.
728.
He'll pay in 692.
Yeah.
792, 798.
What was your last name?
Sabins.
Sabins. Thanks. All right, you guys have a good day. Take it easy. You guys are dismissed.
In this case, security argued that filming people entering or leaving the center violated HIPAA, but HIPAA only applies to medical facilities and their partners, not private citizens standing on a public sidewalk. Later, police even suggested they could delete or review his footage, but the First and Fourth Amendments protect both the right to record and personal data unless a search warrant is issued. This situation makes it clear that knowing the limits of the law is the best way to defend constitutional rights against unlawful demands.
Hi. How you doing, man? We pulled you over because your tail lamp, it's busted and it's emitting a white light to the rear.
This officer pulled over a couple from the YouTube channel HIPAA, claiming their taillight was broken and shining white. He then demanded ID from the male passenger, who immediately pushed back and refused to comply, forcing the officer to back down.
Okay.
Do you have your driver's license, registration, and insurance on you? How about you, man? You got ID?
I do.
May I see it?
I left it at home.
You left that at home?
So why you guys, besides that? You guys from right here? East Palo Alto PD?
No, sir.
Where you guys from?
I'm from Aspen.
Okay.
What's your last name?
And you guys are conducting stops in East Palo Alto?
Yeah.
For what?
He's Menlo Park and he's probation.
Okay.
What's your last name?
Do you need, what do you need my last name for?
Because you were going to give me your info, weren't you?
For what?
I asked for it and you said that I can
No,
have
you
it.
asked me if I had an ID and I told you I do, but it's not on me.
And I said, may I see it? And you said, I just don't have it on me. Can you hand me that?
I'm recording it, so I can show you what you said.
I'm sorry?
I said I recorded it, so you can see what you said.
Okay, that's cool. I'm recording too.
Yeah. I just get pissed off, dude, when you guys pull us over. You're not even from this city. Like,
Yeah, well, I'm
you're
sorry.
just wasting my time and your time.
Well, we had a legitimate reason to pull you guys over.
That's
so
not
that's why we're pulling
legitimate.
over.
That's not legitimate.
Yes, it is, sir.
Okay, so
The busted
proceed.
tail lamp is a legitimate reason
So
to pull you
proceed
guys
with
over.
your traffic stop.
Hmm?
Proceed with your traffic stop.
No. Well, we're checking her right now, and I was just asking you. So.
Okay, I'm just saying, you guys got guns and stuff. You guys coming up to our windows, pulling us over, like for a busted traffic light.
Yeah.
Okay. So what's the problem?
Dude, I don't have a problem. You're the one that's asking all these questions. I legitimately explained why I'm pulling the vehicle over,
Okay.
and I asked you nicely if I could have your information. You said no. I'm not pushing the matter, am I?
I never said no. I just told you I don't have it on me.
Okay. Well,
And you don't need it.
well, are you willing to give me your information?
I don't feel like I need to give you my information, dude. Like, if these Pato pulls me over, yeah, fine. I don't have a problem with it. You guys, dude, it just, for what? Like, you guys just stereotype everybody, pull everybody over, get everybody's info for what?
All it is asking, man. No one's pushing the matter here. I've
For
already
what?
explained that we.
For what? A busted tail light?
Yeah.
Well, you need my information because she has a busted tail
All
light.
I did was ask you for your
I
information,
don't want to give it to you.
and I'm not pushing the matter.
All right.
You're the one that keeps bringing it up.
I'm just saying, dude, like, I hate when you guys come out here in our home city. I grew up on this city. I walk every day to school.
And guess what? I grew up in North Fair Oaks,
So, I don't understand if you're from Atten, what you're doing here. He's probation. He's from, I don't know where you said, Menlo Park.
In this situation, the passenger refused to provide ID and stated he had no obligation to do so. In fact, passengers are generally not required to show identification unless there is reasonable suspicion of a crime or the state has a stop and identify law. This clearly shows how knowing your rights can help you avoid being pressured beyond lawful limits.
Public roadway, which you are, has to be registered within the state of California or in any other state, right?
Today's video comes from California, where Officer Chappelle approached a parked vehicle belonging to a man who runs the YouTube channel Philly Thaw Hood Star. He was simply eating lunch in his car, committing no violation, yet the officer demanded ID.
So if your vehicle is not registered,
It's registered, but I'm,
subject
yeah.
to tow,
Mhm.
right?
Mhm.
So that's why I asked for registration. I
It's,
didn't need your name,
yeah, it's registered
but you kind of went way up here,
because
and you could have been done.
because
like
I know, but I know what I have to do, and I know what I don't have to do. So if I was driving, I would have to give you my registration. Me, hey, listen, because I've been through this already. Out in Fontana, I was sitting in the car. Same thing happened. I'm not operating the vehicle,
You don't have to be in the state of California.
and my key is not.
Google 4,000 here.
But listen.
Any vehicle on any public roadway, doesn't matter if it's driving or not. If it's parked.
If it's parked and I'm just sitting in it, but it's not expired. See what you said? Expired. Go look at my plate.
You missed the whole thing.
I know the penal code. It's I know what it is, bro. It has to be expired and sitting on the roadway, bro. I'm sitting on the roadway, but I'm not expired.
But you arguing about something.
Because I know what I have to do and what I don't have to. Run my name. If that's what you want to do, run my name, bro. I don't have to.
That's not what I came over here.
So what are you messing with me for? If you walked, what was I doing when you walked up? What did you get a call for?
Nothing.
Who did you get a call for?
Nobody called.
So why are you messing with me?
I'm not messing with you, man. I didn't even see you.
Fifth Amendment, bro. All right, bro. Do what you got to do, bro. All right, man. I'm just sitting here, bro. Because if I get arrested, what would be the charge? I didn't do anything. I was sitting in the car. And I'm not going to get out the car. I don't have to.
I did my due diligence to make sure that your vehicle was registered, which it is. And I even took the extra step to explain to you before.
Sir. If it wasn't registered, I wouldn't be driving it. I don't commit crimes. That's why I gave you my first and last name. You see what I'm saying?
I'm not
I don't commit crimes.
You could have been done in 30 seconds. If you would have been, oh, here's my registration. Most people do. Because people make mistakes. Everybody's human error, right?
I wanted the lawsuit. I wanted the lawsuit for real. I wanted you to break the glass, pull me out, throw the car, all that for my to be registered. You get what I'm saying?
That's why I took
You got the wrong person. I'm not. I know what you walked up into back there. I'm not a part of that. I'm sitting here eating lunch, bro. Exactly. So once you see me eating lunch, you should have left me alone. If I was in your shoe, no, because you didn't get a call. You got no call, so there's no job to do.
That's what you missed. I don't need a call.
But listen, you need reasonable, articulable suspicion of a crime. There's no crime happening. So why are you talking to me? There's not an infraction. I'm not driving. The car has to be expired. If it's sitting on the street and it's expired, then you can ticket it or tow it, bro. All right, man. Hey, y'all have a great day. I appreciate you, officer. I appreciate you, big dog.
I'm not out here trying to do no extra.
I appreciate it. I would have loved it. I wouldn't have resisted either.
But what I want you to understand, man, is
I wouldn't have resisted.
it could have been over in 30 seconds.
Yes, sir.
Like most reasonable people.
Yes, sir.
Hey, here's my registration. My car is registered.
But we had a Fifth Amendment and we had a Fourth Amendment. That's the right to secure our persons and everything. Yeah. So if there's no crime afoot, 148.G. 148.G, California statute, sir. No reasonable articulable suspicion. You don't get ID anything. That's everything. That means because no. Only if it's operating on a Yes. Man, I've been through this. I done sued the police department before. That's why I don't resist. That's why I don't resist. I give my name. So when the video Google what?
4000A California vehicle.
4000A. 4000A, yes, sir.
4000 California vehicle. It doesn't matter if you're moving or if you're parked. If you're on a public roadway with a vehicle that's not registered, you're subject to being towed, man.
Yes, sir.
Okay? That's all I want to explain to you.
Yes, sir. I appreciate it. Yes, sir. You gotta do too.
In this case, Officer Chappelle insisted on seeing insurance even though the man was just sitting in a legally registered car that wasn't in violation of anything. The officer even admitted there hadn't been any call. He was just checking in. Most people would hand over documents under pressure, but when you know your rights, the situation can take a very different turn.
Being detained because you were called in as a suspicious person. As walking down the street.
This officer from the Walworth County Sheriff's Office stopped George while he was walking in Lake Geneva, claiming he looked suspicious. George stated he was simply recording video and had not committed any crime, yet the officer continued to detain him.
Well, can I see your sergeant? Oh, well,
there's a deputy on the way.
What does that have to do with anything? I'm not wanted. I live in Lake Geneva, but if there's no reason that you guys are stopping me for walking, that's ridiculous.
All I need to do is your name into the system, make sure you don't have a warrant, and then you're free to go.
Well, that's not constitutional. You can't just stop somebody walking down the road. That's not.
This is not my area. I'm here assisting a Walworth County deputy.
Okay,
So
well, I'll wait for him.
On scene, then
I'll wait for him because this is not constitutional. This is crazy, guys. I'm walking down the road, videotaping for my YouTube channel, and I get stopped by the police saying for a suspicious person walking down the road. Insanity. That is not right. It's not constitutional. They're asking me to ID myself when I have done nothing wrong, and they're detaining me. I'm being detained, right? All right, I'm being detained right now for walking down the road. This is insanity. You guys are going to be funny because I live right in Lake Geneva. I've been a resident here for 4 years, and I'm now being detained by the police for walking down the road, videotaping for my YouTube channel. This is going to be a good one, guys. I should get 1 million hits on this one. Newman is this guy's name. Bloomfield Police. Thank you, sir. I appreciate you. I'm not trying to be an asshole, but this is,
I'm not either.
This is not constitutional. You guys can't just stop people walking down the road. You guys, it's just not legal for you guys to do that. It's not.
I'm investigating a suspicious person.
Well, what was the suspicion? What was I doing that was suspicious?
Again, sir, I'm just here assisting.
Well, you pulled up behind me. Was I doing anything suspicious while I was walking?
No, I did not say that you were.
Okay.
I'm investigating a suspicious person call I received.
Okay. Being detained for walking. Insanity. Complete insanity right now. on. 2 minutes and 30 seconds I've been being detained here now. For walking down the road. I didn't even hear you pull up. I just happened to turn around because the car drove past me and I seen you pulled over on the road. I'm like, where the hell did you come from? Wanted from Washington, huh? That's the funniest thing I've ever heard. Unconstitutional, man. You guys will learn, though. You guys can't just be doing this shit. I'm definitely going to file with people about this. It's definitely going to happen. I got video proof, so I was recording the whole time from walking all the way down there, all the way up to here. I got videos walking all the way down. I got videos of my whole trip with me in the car at Walmart. This is funny. Well, how long is this not going to take? I mean, you guys can't just hold me here forever. That's not right either. This is crazy. This is nuts right here. I hope you guys like this video, man. This one should be a good one. Being detained for no reason whatsoever. Walking down a road in a county I live and pay taxes in. It's going on 6 minutes, guys. 6.5 minutes. Been standing here for no reason, saying I'm waiting for a Walworth County sheriff. The most up thing I've ever heard in my life. And they're saying it's from somebody thinking I'm wanted out of Washington. That's what this man just told me. It's nuts how our constitutional rights are getting just smashed by these guys, man. Everybody needs to see this though. It can happen to you. I'm still probably have a battery on this. Last this other damn cop gets here. It's so far. Here comes the other one. It's a Walworth County, or yeah, Walworth County, I believe that. How's it going, sir? So this officer is detaining me for walking down the street. I'm not sure why. I live here.
Calling us suspicious, basically. I don't know.
Suspicious for walking down the road, man?
Well,
come on.
Dude,
I've been videotaping the whole time for my YouTube channel here, man.
I mean, that's cool. I understand that. But at the same time, it's people suspicious all the time for random things.
Well, that's not a right to stop somebody because somebody's saying I look suspicious walking around. I'm wearing blue jeans and a sweatshirt and I'm videotaping.
Well, the suspicion we got was that you, from whatever distance I saw you.
Police said he resembled a suspect wanted all the way in Washington. George stood firm, refused to provide ID, and repeatedly pointed out there was no reasonable suspicion. When a supervisor arrived, they admitted there was no legal basis to hold him and let him go. This incident shows why you should never rush to hand over your information without a lawful reason. Stay calm, assert your rights, and let the law work in your favor.
Said I'm on my way to work. He's at the light. Has nothing to do but...
Cartier-Pierre was stopped by Officer Kapka of the Mesa Police Department for allegedly crossing railroad tracks. Cartier admitted the violation and wanted to resolve it quickly so he could get to work, but instead of writing the ticket right away, the officer kept him waiting just to call for backup.
People cross this track every single minute, bro. I know. Right, do you stop everybody? Because I sit right here for the next hour and wait for you to stop everybody. You understand me?
You realize that's not possible.
I want to see you do it now.
I can't.
Because you just stopped me and I told you I was 3 minutes on my way to work.
Okay.
Officer Kapke.
Doesn't matter if you're on your way to work.
So why are you not running my name? You say you needed to do that. I got to be to work. What you waiting on?
So I got to wait for everything to come back? I'm ready for a partner to get here, and I'm probably going to issue a ticket for crossing the tracks.
Okay, well, write the ticket up. What are you standing right here for?
Waiting for my partner.
What do you got to wait for your partner for? Have to be at work?
Because I get in my car to type it up, and I'm not going to have you sitting right here.
Well, I sit right there. What's the hold up?
Okay.
Hurry up, bro. Let's get this process on the road. I have to go to work.
We're on my time right now.
All right, well,
Not
hurry
your
up and
time.
do what you got to do. You ain't got to wait for no backup to run my name and write the ticket. You ain't talking to no rookie, bro. Hurry up. For your name be getting put on that list, bro. I'm not going to keep asking you the same thing. All right. What's your name and your badge number? Write that down while you're standing right here.
I'm not writing anything down. It's Captain. You can read it right there.
What's your badge number?
24328.
I need it written
It'll
down.
be on your ticket.
All right. Make sure it's on my ticket.
Keep your hands out of your pockets while
All
I'm
right, I will. But it's on record, though.
You can record.
And I
video
told you I
anytime.
don't have a weapon.
You're being recorded too.
I told you I don't have a weapon.
Cool.
All right, so we both record. That part. Finna be walking to work in the next 15 minutes anyway.
Use the crosswalk like you're supposed to. And we won't
Man,
stop
bro,
you.
don't tell me what to do.
Okay, keep crossing the line.
Just write the ticket.
Okay.
That's all you're gonna be able to do. Capkey. Shit, I gotta go to work. I bet you that's all you can do.
I can arrest you for crossing those tracks.
Arrest me for
I
crossing the
absolutely
track
can.
when I told you I'm on my way to work?
I absolutely can. It is a class 1 misdemeanor for the trespassing.
You just said you were finna write a ticket.
That's my discretion. I can write a ticket. I can take you to jail. I can give you a warning. That's up to me, man.
Man, bro, you gotta
I
be
don't
better.
want you to
You
miss
gotta
work.
be better, bro. You gotta
don't
be
want you to
better,
miss
bro.
work.
At this time in America right now, you gotta be better, bro.
I don't want you to
I
miss
didn't
work.
do across the track trying to make it to work before I'm late. And you standing right here not writing a ticket,
So you
talking
would-
about you can take me to jail.
I could.
After
don't
I'm
want to.
producing sensor needles for people so they don't poke their finger and can check their blood sugar.
It doesn't
What am
matter
I doing wrong, bro?
Crossing the light rail tracks.
All right, so
We've
write
been
the
over that.
ticket.
I'm waiting for my partner.
You're making me late, bro.
No, you made yourself late by not being on time.
What you mean? I would have been there on time. I gotta clock in at 5:10. I've been here for 2 minutes.
Okay.
It's 5:07, bro. I would have been there on
I
time.
promise you, you're probably gonna be late. 'Cause it's gonna take me a
Now
couple
I'm
minutes.
gonna be late because you're standing here.
If you left earlier, then you could have got here earlier.
Bro,
and
you don't
could've
tell
been
me
crossing-
when I need to get and clock in to work.
I'm just
Do you
trying to help you
understand
out.
that?
I'm just trying to help you understand.
I just want to help you understand. You don't tell me when I clock in and when I can get there on time. I've been there on time the last 30 days.
But I am here to tell you, you can't cross the light rail tracks.
And I understand that, so write the ticket, bro.
My partner's right here.
Say less. Unbelievable in America right now. Nothing else better to do but stop a black man for crossing the track. Man, good you here, bro. This is unbelievable. The worst police officer in Tempe. Mesa, period. I'm on my way to work. I cross the track. He's sitting at the light, and he hits the light. I tell him I'm on my way to work. I got to be at Dexcom in 7 minutes. Oh, but you're going to stand here until my partner gets here. I'm like, write the ticket, bro. All you got to do is write it, and I can get to work on time. No. You're going to wait for my partner to get here. Run my ID, bro. What are you waiting on? He's like, oh, no, I'm not. I'm going to wait for my partner to get here. You're going to be late. I'm like, bro, I'm not going to go to jail. I don't have a warrant. I got to be at Dexcom at 5:06. I start recording, bro, because it's like, bro, you're really just trying to make me late for work. You want to be an asshole, and I didn't ask you, I didn't do nothing wrong, bro. But cross the tracks trying to get to work, and I get that. That was wrong. So I deserve a ticket. Well, write the ticket, bro, so I can go. He's like, no. I'm like, I'm recording this now. Because I don't even trust you now, bro. Because it's like you being all the way extra right now, bro. People cross that track, and I get it. I got caught. I get it. But damn, bro, don't be an asshole, bro. So I start recording, bro.
The highlight of the video is that the driver openly acknowledged crossing the tracks and repeatedly asked for the ticket so he could leave on time. Yet Officer Kapke delayed the process until another officer arrived. This clearly shows unnecessary prolonging of the stop, rather than handling it swiftly and by the book. We share this video to provide information and highlight how such situations should be resolved calmly, lawfully, and in line with constitutional protections. YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen. Click to watch now.